Why do babies get hiccups? Is it dangerous? Usually it's not dangerous. The reasons why babies get hiccups: 1. Overfeeding. 2. Fast feeding. 3. Reflux. Usually it's not dangerous unless it disrupts the baby's sleeping, feeding, or it lasts for hours. So how can you help your baby if they have hiccups? Burping during and after feeding. Feeding with the head tilted up, mostly making sure you do not overfeed your baby and that your baby is having a good latch. Sprouty app gives advice on baby care and has a cry analyzer to tell the reasons behind baby crying, whether it's gas or burping. Save this video to have all the tips at your hand when you need them.